Welcome to the 2020-2021 Cleaning, Sanitizing, and Disinfecting Awareness Training. This training is to assist in keeping you and others safe and informed as this pandemic continues to pose a threat to everyone. When cleaning and disinfecting, employees should always wear personal protective equipment, or PPE, appropriate for the chemicals being used. Additional personal protective equipment may be needed based on an area of the building and the product used. Follow the CDC cleaning and disinfection recommendations, as well as your district hazard assessment. In the event that you have a question about a cleaning product or a chemical, please contact your district Right to Know designee. Cleaning and disinfection. It is important to know the difference between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. Cleaning removes dust, dirt, and debris from a surface by scrubbing, washing, and rinsing. Cleaning can be done by all district staff. Sanitizing reduces the bacteria that are identified on a product's label, as well as in the laundry. Disinfecting destroys or inactivates the bacteria and viruses based on the product's label and on hard or non-porous surfaces. Sanitizing and disinfecting may be reserved by the operation and maintenance staff members. The Center for Disease Control offers many useful links and sources to help you understand proper cleaning and hygiene. For more information on cleaning and disinfecting in schools, please refer to the link below, which is https://www.cdc.gov/flu/school/cleaning.htm. The following two slides are an example of some of the information put out by the CDC that is used for the public whenever they have questions about cleaning or disinfecting. High-touch surfaces should be cleaned frequently. Some of the high-touch areas and surfaces in your district may include, but are not limited to, doorknobs, light switches, handrails, faucet handles, drinking fountains, touch screens, phones and tablets, and copier controls. Thank you for attending this training. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact your supervisor or the OHM BOCES Safety Office.